going to be a quick tutorial of the new format for the open-close reports. So here, when you open the page, this is actually an interactive dashboard for the open-close reports. So at the top, you'll have the summer open-close and the fall open-close, so you can select whichever you would like to review. Then here are the filters at the top. So you can filter by specific catalog number if you're looking for a specific course. So let's say I needed to get a student in an English course. Here you can select those. You can look at delivery mode. So if I want online English course, you can look at how many seats are left. If you would prefer to look at the enrollment cap, if you're trying to review caps in courses or just the total enrollment in specific courses, you can change those, but it's set up to look at the seats left in particular courses. The start date, whether it's the first week of class or if it's a flexible start class. The times that it begins, which of course this one is an online, so time wouldn't be important there. The division that the course falls under, and then any specific faculty that might be teaching the course if you're looking for a specific faculty member. So this will filter out any results that you're looking at. So here I'm going to change this back to just selecting all. So if you are wanting to download the full open-close report, you'll want to scroll down to the bottom and it'll say metadata. Now because this is set up as a dashboard, it'll only let you download this in PDF. So in order to get the data into Excel, you'll want to click on either summer or fall. So in this case, I'm going to click on fall here. And now this is the data itself. It looks similar, but this is actually the data itself instead of the dashboard. So then down at the bottom, there's the link to download, and you'll click data. It's going to open a new tab for you, and you'll just want to click to download all rows as a text file. And here it'll give you the option to open with Microsoft Excel. So then this is the open-close report in the format that you are used to, and it would be downloaded into Microsoft Excel. So there's also, this is also set up in DSS. So if you have access to DSS, you'll need to go to the dashboard, the college dashboard. If you do not have access, then you can contact me. My name is Jelan Warren, and I will be happy to try to get you access to the college dashboard because it does have just some good overall information in there. So this is loading here. So there are 3 tabs on the college dashboard. The tab that you'll want to go to is WK Course Tools. And here this has the open-close reports in the format. So if you just know you need to immediately download an open-close report, you can go into DSS and download directly from DSS. So those are available right here at the top. Now just a reminder, this data is still day old. So if you are working with a student, the Visual Schedule Builder does let you, search and select courses. And it does have the live information for whether or not a class is full at that particular moment. So when we're getting into that peak time, the Visual Schedule Builder does have the live information when you're building a schedule. And again, it does give you the options to filter down. So I hope this was informative. Thanks.